Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification and the other teaching and the non-teaching vacancies from the total 18 universities. So the multiple vacancies are there from the multiple departments. Going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you can observe in the Still Outlook website, more than 18 private universities are hiring the faculty positions. So here the assistant, associate as well as the professor vacancies are available. So for this one, you may check the official websites of these individual universities. And in this video, I'm going to show you the list of the private universities which are announcing the faculty recruitment notification. So from my next videos onwards, I'm going to do the in detail notification regarding the each and every university mentioned in this list. So as if right now we will see the list of the private universities, guys. So the first one is MIT University Punjab, and the second one is GD Goenka University. The next one is MIT ADT University Pune, and next Birla Institute of Technology and Science. So total of 4 campuses. Okay, bids from total 4 campuses. The faculty vacancies are announced. One is Pilani, second one is Goa, third one is Hyderabad, and fourth one is Dubai. Next, IMS Engineering College Ghaziabad, and Vivekananda Global University Jaipur, and Noida International University. Next one is Renaissance University Indore and Jaipur National University, RVS College of Engineering and Technology Jamshedpur, and Modern Institute of Technology and Research Center Alwar, and Heritage Institute of Technology Kolkata, and JP Institute of Information Technology Noida, and Ganpat University Kherwa, and Institute of Rural Management Anand, and High Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology Ghaziabad, and Vivekananda Global University and Xavier University, Kolkata. So to get the accurate and the eligibility conditions and the last date to apply, okay, for all these details, you may visit the individual websites of these universities. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for the UGC NET courses, so here one announcement is follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in the 2021, so both the UGCNET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.